In this video I will solve error in OBS Studio. When I'm starting OBS Studio, I get this error: failed to initialize video, invalid parameters. This is due to misconfigured settings. To solve this problem, you need to go to run and type app-data %app-data %, then click OK. Then find OBS Studio folder here. Here it is. So inside OBS Studio folder, go to basics, and inside basics go to profile. Then you will find untitled folder or any other folder as you have set. Now delete all the folders inside profile folder. Check again and delete all the folder inside profile folder. So I am deleting this. So here are no folder inside profile folder. Now let's start OBS Studio again. So great, it is working again. If you encounter that error, you can solve easily following the steps in this video.